And now to our top story tonight.
Last Tuesday, the Board of Education and the Board of County Commissioners passed a joint resolution reaffirming support for ending contact tracing and quarantine requirements for Union County Public Schools.
Well, that resolution will go into effect starting tomorrow, ending contact tracing or quarantines. And tonight, that has some Union County parents speaking out against the updated COVID protocols.
Well, I'm a physician and a parent, so I'm doubly concerned.
Dr. Catherine Shaw has a daughter in a Union County middle school. She says not knowing what's ahead is a problem.
Several weeks ago, the school system stopped reporting COVID-19 cases publicly. And it's very unfortunate because we can't see the consequences if they're hiding the data. We do get reports from our specific schools, but it doesn't tell you what grade, it doesn't tell you what class, it gives you no information to allow you to protect yourself or your child.
At last week's UCPS board meeting, one member announced the school district's COVID cases have been going in the right direction.
COVID cases have been declining significantly, down by over 50% over the last 2 weeks.
But as of Friday, the percent positivity rate for the county is 37.7%, well above the state rate of 21% positive. Dr. Shaw says now is not the time to stop collecting data at schools.
The other consequence is, if you don't know about infections in your child's class or that your child's associated with, there are parents who are immunocompromised from cancer. There's children who live with very ill grandparents. There are so many negative consequences, both to our kids and to our entire community.
In an email to WCNC Sunday, the North Carolina Department of Health and Human Services said in part, the Strong Schools NC Public Health Toolkit includes a layered prevention approach designed to prevent children, teachers, and staff from becoming infected with COVID-19 and keep children and staff in the classroom. It goes on to say, NCDHHS respects the role local boards of education serve in implementing this guidance and the accountability these boards have before their communities to keep teachers and kids safe. Dr. Shaw believes this decision doesn't just affect kids and teachers.
This is affecting people's ability to get an appointment at their doctor's office. Like I said, if someone has a heart attack, they may not be seen quickly in the emergency room because it's so busy. So this school board decision is really going to trickle down to our entire medical community in this region.
It's also important to note what's not changing. Union County Public Schools says if someone tests positive for coronavirus, they must stay home and isolate.